And today is Daddy's birthday. What you gonna say to Daddy?
It's a happy birthday, Daddy!
Let me see. Let me see your face.
See, my daddy got his birthday hat on.
Really?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Really? So what you gonna tell Daddy when you see him?
Sing to Chuck E. Cheese.
You gonna sing happy birthday to him? How you sing it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Aww. That's all you gonna say? Alrighty then. Where you finna go?
I come to the taxi.
Where you about to go? Where you finna go now?
To daycare.
Yep. And what you gonna do at daycare?
Get some baby. Get some baby.
What you do with the babies?
She cried cause she want her mommy.
She want her mommy? Oh, okay. Well, I love you.
I love you too.
You gonna tell Daddy you love him?
Yeah.
So say it.
I love you.